Cupcake, here's your ride to Loser Lane.
I'm tired of losing. I'm tired of being a bitch. I'm tired of being a sorry, sad-ass motherfucking organization.
I can't see anything. Who turned out the lights? I want to play a game.
Uh-oh.
Your first challenge. Eggs McEggington. Either Sonny dies or Wick dies. If you not choose, I will be forced to kill you instead.
Sonny easily. Scum against scum. Scum against scum. Scum against scum.
And now your final challenge. Let your beer go through your phone.
Oh, hell no.
Your ass tweaking, Jigsaw.
That's it? That's the fucking episode?